Hello everyone, I am Alka Chaturvedi, a friend of yours. I am also an educator working in the field of education for the past 30 years. Today I am going to give you some tips on confidence building. Now, what is confidence? Mark Twain had rightly said, a man cannot be comfortable without his own approval. It means we ourselves should be comfortable enough and approve what we are doing. If you feel it is right, it is right. If you feel it's wrong. And remember, there is no wrong time to do a right thing and never a right time to do the wrong thing. Yes, I hope you agree. The first step is be positive. Be positive means you have to remain positive in all situations and see the positive in the people. Supposingly, I start seeing the negative in somebody, I will see not one, not two, but many faults in that person. But if I start seeing the positive, 10 positive thoughts would be coming and I will be appreciating and liking the other person. So it is our choice what we see in the other people, whether the negative or the positive. Next is emphasize on your strengths. Each of us is born with some strengths. Some may be good at communication, some may be good at accounting, some may be giving motivational lectures, some may be having a scientific hand. So, whatever your strength is, find opportunities to showcase your strength. See the picture there. Can you see an ant with a log on it? That's what we can learn from that ant. Talk to the mirror. Yesterday I went to the mirror and asked the mirror, who is the most dirtiest person in the world? Who is the most disliked person in the world? Who is the most cunning person in the world? And the more I made the faces, the more the mirror made faces at me and said, you. I would not give up. I went to the mirror again, and this time I asked, dear mirror, who is the loveliest person on this earth? Who is the most capable person on this earth? Who is a bundle of strengths on this earth? And the mirror smiled back at me and said, you. So now it's very clear from this example that a mirror will never tell a lie. If I am going to be negative, the mirror will speak negative to me. And if I am going to be positive, the mirror will be positive to me. Maintain an eye contact. It is a trick to show that you are confident. If I am speaking to you and I'm not making an eye contact, that means I'm lacking confidence. But if the eye contact is there, you will always, the other person listening to you will always be confident. Remember the days when Mama used to scold us, when we had quietly eaten up something, maybe chocolates, and Mama shouted at us. She said, look into my eyes and talk to me. And the day you made the mistake, you would never look into the eyes of Mama and talk. Chor ki dadi mein tilka. Right? Work with your team. Team itself says together everybody achieves more. Maybe I may be good at speaking, but my friends may be good at drawing, dancing, and n number of other qualities. But if we club up, united we stand. And that is what team is for me and for you also. Be a risk taker in your life. Unless and until we take risks in our lives, we will not succeed. A little baby tries to cross a sofa or maybe a drain, and slowly and gradually he increases the length. In the same way, if I have to climb a mountain and I'm standing at the bottom of the mountain, just thinking I have to climb up till there, I will never be able to. The moment I take the first step, my second step will follow it and I will reach the top. Preparation is the key to success. If you are well prepared for your exams, you are always successful. And if you are not prepared, your inner conscience starts barking at you and saying, you have not prepared, you will fail. In the same way, the athletes, they work round the year increasing their stamina and doing the practices. And on the final day, the difference between the first and the second is only of microseconds. And it is always the survival of the fittest. Move with a purpose. Unless we move with a purpose, there is no point moving. For example, I am going for a walk every day. I go 1 hour, I just keep dragging myself slowly, gradually. I'll come back every day. I'm tired. No more walk. But if I have a purpose, no, I have to reduce 5 kg weight within a month. The purpose will be there and motivation will be there and I'll be moving ahead with a purpose. And if we are not moving with a purpose, it will be just like a crossroad where there are cars from all the sides, nobody knowing where to go, and utter chaos created. My next point is connect with confidence. Dear children, have you seen or heard about that dead fish handshake? Just handshaking just like a dead fish. Yes, your handshakes also speak about you. So we say connect with confidence. The more confidently you are shaking the hand, the better the other person feels that you are confident. But remember, children, when you have to shake your hand with an elderly person, always have both the hands together. This shows care and concern for the elder person. Now, next is build your own success files. Here I would like to use the acronym for DREAM. Dedication, responsibility, education, attitude, and motivations. If all these are positives, your attitude would be positive towards life and you will be stepping ahead towards the success. Now, it is rightly said, sleep to dream and wake up to fulfill your dreams. And that is my message to you people. And finally, have an evaluation report. How much work you have done, whether you are satisfactory, very good, outstanding, evaluate yourself. Now at the end of this video, I'll quickly just cover up the points that I have taken just now. The first one being be positive. Second being emphasize your strength. Third, talk to the mirror. Talk to yourself. Fourth, maintain an eye contact. Fifth, work in teams. Sixth, be a risk taker. Seventh, prepare well. Eighth, move with a purpose. Ninth, connect with confidence. And tenth, build your success files. I hope I have given you enough content to ponder and think. If you have any doubts, write back to me, and we'll definitely do not forget to press the bell icon so that you may get my new videos. Thank you so much. Sayonara.